looking for a way to convert PDF to Peppol or a different e-invoicing format? Yeah, in this video I will show you how you can convert a PDF to, for example, Peppol. Yeah, let's get right into it. Here you can see we are in the portal as usual. Right now I'm a Belgian company. So let's say we have a PDF and yeah, we want to convert it to a Peppol invoice and send it. So what you do is you go to e-invoice, then to outgoing invoice. Hope you can see it, yes. And here you can see we have no incoming invoices. Here we have some tests, but let's create the invoice. So here we have the create invoice. Here we can press on create with document, upload your PDF. Let's select my PDF. 1 second. Test company. Perfect. This is a test invoice. So you can see it. How it works. That's what we do. Awesome. Now it's uploaded. Now we can go back to outgoing invoices. Here we can see OCR is waiting. This takes some time. Let's hope it's quick this time, or it takes around 1 minute. Let's give it a second so you can see what it is going to say. Now you can see it is scanned and you can see the customers Akma GmbH. It's a fake name, but you know. And here's the invoice. Let's see if all the information is correct. Looks correct. VAT number looks correct. Great. Looks correct. Okay, and the products looks, tax is also correct. Awesome. So what you do now, this is the important part. Under invoice type, you press Peppol, or if you have in Germany, you can press Zugfahrt as well. And now you can see a lot more options come up here. So we can see a Peppol participant we need to enter. This is often, let's say, this is a Peppol-ready, but you can also save them in the partners tab here under all customers as a recurring customer. By a reference, we don't have one, so I will just have to test. These fields are required for Peppol. So in different formats, you have different required fields. Let's see if all the other required fields are in. No, we need a tax ID. Where can we get a tax ID? Maybe this one works. Something like that. We will see if it works. And yeah, great. Here we don't need to fill in any. There we need to fill in. Great. Let's go Germany. Postal code. Just take a random one, and then we do Frankfurt, and this should be fine. The IBAN was also extracted successfully. So let's try and press confirm and see if it gets converted to a Peppol. As you can see, it says completed OCR, and now you can see the invoice type is Peppol. So it has successfully converted the PDF to a Peppol invoice, and we can, for example, now press this one and send via Peppol. Or you can, if you want to double check everything, you can go in here, just look, looks good. You can download the XML. You can send the invoice as via email or via Peppol. That's up to you. But that is how the conversion works from PDF to any other format. Hope this video helps, and see you in the next one.